Forests and tree-dwelling animals have some unique and fascinating mating rituals that differ from those of other animals. From the slow-moving sloths to the cuddly koalas, and from the playful lemurs to the elusive pandas, each animal has its way of attracting and courting their mates. In today's video, we're going to have a look at the mating habits of these animals. Without further ado, let's get started. Fossa mating. The fossa has a unique mating system that is different from many other mammals. Rather than the males competing for the attention of females, and females are the ones in charge, they will choose a mate and initiate the mating process. When a female is in heat, she will release a strong scent to attract males. Several males will come to her location and begin to compete for her attention. The female will then choose a mate based on his size, strength, and the quality of his scent. Interestingly, female fossas have a pseudopenis, like hyenas, which is used during mating to help grip onto the male. This makes the mating process more successful and ensures that the male will not escape before the copulation is complete. Fossa mating is a unique and interesting process, where the females are the ones in charge and have a special adaptation to make sure the mating is successful. Panda mating. Giant pandas have a unique mating system that involves females being in estrus for only 24 to 72 hours per year. During this time, males will compete for the opportunity to mate with females. Mating can be a tricky process, as pandas are solitary animals that do not often come into contact with each other in the wild. Therefore, breeding programs in captivity have been crucial for the survival of the species. Once a male panda is able to successfully mate with a female, the pregnancy lasts for around 3 to 5 months. Pandas give birth to 1 or 2 cubs, but it is rare for both to survive. Female pandas are known for their excellent mothering skills, but in the wild, mothers will often only raise 1 cub at a time. Despite their popularity and iconic status, giant pandas are considered a vulnerable species due to habitat loss and low reproductive rates. Koala mating. Koalas may seem cute and cuddly, but their mating behavior is anything but romantic. Female koalas have a tough time during mating season, as they are often pursued relentlessly by male koalas. These males will follow the females around and emit a loud, bellowing call to let other males know that the female is taken. But the competition doesn't stop there. Male koalas will also engage in fierce battles with each other, using their sharp claws and teeth to defend their territory and mating rights. Once a male koala wins the right to mate with a female, the actual mating process is brief and uneventful. It lasts only a few seconds and is usually initiated by the female. Interestingly, koalas have a bifurcated reproductive system, meaning that females have 2 separate uteri and 2 vaginas. This allows them to produce 2 different types of milk for their young, one high in protein and the other high in fat. Sloth mating. Sloths, known for their slow-moving and sleepy demeanor, have unique and interesting mating behavior. They are solitary animals, and their mating habits are no exception. They only come together for a brief period during the breeding season, which occurs once a year. During the mating season, the male will emit a loud mating call to attract a female. Once the female is ready to mate, the pair will climb down from the trees and engage in a slow and gentle mating process that can last for several hours. Unlike most other animals, sloths mate while hanging upside down from a branch. The male will use his long arms to grasp onto the female while mating. After mating, the male sloth will go back to his solitary lifestyle, and the female will carry the offspring for about 6 months before giving birth to a single baby. Lemurs mating. Lemurs are primates endemic to Madagascar and have a unique and interesting mating system. Most lemur species are seasonal breeders, with a specific breeding season that occurs once per year. During this breeding season, males will compete for access to females, often engaging in fierce battles to establish dominance. Once a male has established dominance, he will mate with multiple females within his group. Interestingly, Some lemur species also practice a behavior called mate guarding, in which males closely follow the female after mating to prevent other males from mating with her. This behavior can be especially important for females that are highly desired by other males. During the breeding season, female lemurs emit a scent from their genital area, which alerts males to their readiness to mate. This scent can be detected by males from long distances, allowing them to locate females that are receptive to mating. Leopard mating. Did you know that leopards can mate up to 100 times a day? That's right, these big cats have quite the appetite when it comes to reproduction. During mating season, which typically occurs in the rainy season, male leopards will roam their territory in search of receptive females. Once a male has found a female, he will follow her closely, sometimes for several days, until she is ready to mate. The mating process itself is brief, lasting only a few seconds, but it can occur repeatedly over a period of several days. Interestingly, female leopards have the ability to control their own fertility. They can hold on to a male's sperm for an extended period of time before fertilization occurs. This helps to ensure that the female will conceive during optimal conditions, such as during a period of abundant prey. After mating, the male and female go their separate ways. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.